In this section, we're going to add another directive, and this time attach a controller to it. So in our previous section, we had this HTML we encapsulated into an attribute directive and an element directive. Here's some additional code that we can encapsulate into a directive, but you'll notice it also has a controller. So let's change this into a directive and then figure out how to add the controller. First step, as you might imagine, is we're going to take this code and we're going to pull it out into the product panels.html. Inside our index.html, we'll create the product-panels custom directive. Then in our app.js, we'll start defining the custom directive. We'll call it product panels. Notice the camel case. It's an element directive, so we write restrict E, and the template here is going to be product panels.html. Now, how do we move the controller into the directive? Well, first things first, we're going to move the functionality of the controller into the directive using the controller keyword. So we have our product panels directive with our panel controller, and it works fine. We would just have to remember every time we add this product panels directive to also include this controller. So how might we move this controller inside the directive? The first thing we need to do, we need to specify the alias we'll want to use inside of this directive to refer to the controller, in this case, panels. And that's all there is to it, and we can see that everything works as it should. Nothing much has changed, except our HTML has become more organized and expressive. Time for you to jump into the challenges. Try this out, and I'll see you in the next level. Director will tells the web page or attributes.